Glitching AI is a powered dropshipping tool that promises to simplify launching and scaling Shopify stores. It offers features like AI-driven product research, one-click store creation, ad generation, and even a full dropshipping course, positioning itself as an all-in-one solution. It automates key workflows. It finds trending products, sets up Shopify stores, and creates ads in just a few clicks. It includes a structured dropshipping course and a private Discord support for beginners. And it's got positive user testimonials, intuitive workflows, innovative features, and helpful community support. Trustpilot reviews average at about 4 out of 5. Users report unexpected upselling tactics, misleading pricing pop-ups, and inconsistent product metrics, raising concerns about trust. Some complain about poor customer service, and product recommendations and ad creatives sometimes feel generic or inaccurate, especially for saturated niches. So glitching AI is convenient, and it's a great springboard for beginners. It dramatically cuts manual work with automation, onboard training, and community access, but there's a catch. Automation alone doesn't guarantee success. Oversaturated products, opaque pricing, and customer support risk means it's not a magic bullet. So if you're brand new and you're willing to treat it as a tool among many, glitching could be helpful. But for those who value transparency, control over targeting, or long-term brand building, you may want to combine it with independent research tools or platforms, and always test it cautiously under the refund period.